Alright, Project Dune Buggy. This is what happened here, right? What happened is people, when they cut the pipe, they put the hose here, and on their boost, the hose keeps popping out. So you need that dimple, that little lump you see there. So that won't let it happen. It's expensive, but I made my own. I use a C-clamp. I cut the piece off. I used this wheel from a belt sander that we were going to throw away. I used this rod, I welded it on, and then with the torch I hit it and I turned it around as I was hitting it, and then I gave it a couple of tacks, and then I put these two bearings here. I welded this as a guide so the pipe won't go up and down. It's gonna help keep the pipe straight. And yeah, I push it all the way to here. This will be a stopper, and once it hits there, that's it, that's a stopper. And that's about it. It goes up and down. And I welded this piece here, and I made a dimple on it, so that ball goes right inside. That way you don't have this screw wandering around and twisting the clamp. I welded this piece here to help, just to clamp it to the vise. This wheel, yeah, this wheel's from a belt sander. It's worn out, so we were gonna throw it away. I decided to keep it. That's about it. I ran this little bit, but it's too short, so I could not grab it all the way over here like I would with a regular pipe. So I had to grab it here. I couldn't turn it by hand. I had to use the channel lock. I scratched the crap out of it. But it's pretty easy to do. It doesn't take a lot of pressure at all. So this is a really nice tool. You buy a bead machine, it's gonna cost a lot of money, hundreds. So I got this for about free. I had the clamp for a long time. So anyways, I'm ready to roll some pipe. I'm gonna use steel pipe for the supercharger because I need to weld it, and those aluminum pipes are very thin, and I don't have a TIG welder, and I don't weld aluminum anyways. So I'm gonna use this 2-inch steel pipe for the piping on the buggy.